So guys, today we're going to show you how to fit an aux cable in a Ford Fiesta Mark 6 6000 CD Ford. Yep. And basically what you need is these keys and all of these keys, all 4 keys, and also an aux cable and maybe some electric tape depending. Basically what you do is you pull this out with the keys. To release them, press this side button in and it will release the key. Well, it should. Yep. There you go. And you got the keys back before putting them back in, obviously, because you won't be able to get them back out if you put them in. Now, watch carefully. If you take this out, you may need the radio code. But take it out. Basically, 4 pins right there is what you need. This is aux cable. Has 2 wires going into it, and basically just slip it in like that. Now for the SS of the other wire, run it back and go up near where you're and run it down through your glove compartment and down to the bottom. There we go. Then release all the keys, and it should work. Thank you for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video.